Journalist and playwright Barbara Gloudon has died.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Veteran journalist, talk show host and playwright Barbara Gloudon has died. Mrs. Gloudon died in hospital on Wednesday night, May 11th. Barbara Goodison was born in Malvern, St. Elizabeth in 1935, but mostly grew up in Kingston, with her family relocating to the capital while she was still very young. She attended St. George's Infant and Primary School before moving on to St. Andrew High School, after which she entered the field of journalism at the Gloudon newspaper. In the early 1980s, she entered the field of broadcasting as host of Radio Jamaica's talk show Hotline. There, she attracted a huge following with her folksy delivery and wit, coupled with the empathy she exuded in her interaction with listeners. She stopped hosting that program in 2015. She also presented the weekly Anglican radio show Think on These Things on Radio Jamaica for many years. She was also the editor of the National Children's Own and the conceptualizer of the National Spelling Bee competition. Outside of journalism, she was an accomplished playwright and eventually became the chief writer and the producer for the annual pantomime. She also wrote radio plays, the most successful of which was the long-running Wrong Move, which aired on Radio Jamaica. For a period in the 1970s, she also served as Deputy Director of Tourism. Gloudon was bestowed with the Order of Jamaica, an honorary doctorate from the University of the West Indies, and was inducted into the Press Association of Jamaica's Hall of Fame in 2013. Gloudon's husband, Ansel, a former actor and food technologist, died on April 30. He was 89 years old.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!